Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your destination on the Bolt app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your account credentials to log into your account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you have already allowed access to your location, you will directly be asked where you want to go in the home screen. Just tap on the Where To box and type in your desired location. You can also tap on the map icon at the right side of this box in order to pinpoint your location by dropping a pin. Once you have set your destination, the application will scan for the available rides for this location. And once this location has been set, you will see the options that are available for you to travel to this place. You can simply choose from the available option and tap on the green select button at the bottom. And once you tap on this, an available driver nearby will contact you right away. And there you have it. That is how you can set your destination on the Bolt application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.